Hey guys, wanna know how to add echo in Wonderset Filmora? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get straight to it. Now first up, make sure you have Wonderset Filmora opened. And once you're there, import any audio or video files that you like. Now, once you've imported it, just simply drag and drop it to the timeline right here. And once you've done that, on the left side right here, you can see various audio settings to adjust your audio. Now, in order to achieve echo, just simply hit towards voice changer right here. And once you've clicked on it, scroll down until you see echo right here. Now, just simply press to download it once. And there you have it. And then also adjust its delay time by this slider right here. Adjust it to your choice and then just preview it for the settings to take place. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.